Hey guys, my name is Mike Finn here at Lux Bar in the Gulf Coast of Chicago. Here to introduce you to our Lux Old Fashioned. So we're going to start out with 2 dashes of this cherry bark vanilla bitters. We're from Bitter Cube out of Milwaukee. We also are going to add 2 dashes of Angostura. If you don't have that cherry bark, this will work just fine. We are going to add a 1/4 ounce of Demerara, which is a rich cane sugar. And then 2.5 ounces of bourbon. Give this a nice stir. Add ice. If you don't have one of these nice stirring vessels, you're more than welcome to use a pint glass or fill this in the glass. If you have this nice and chilled, we will pour this into a double box glass. And we're going to add a large ice cube. Old Fashions may be garnished with an orange peel. Just give it a nice little swath here. We're going to express the oils over the top as such. Just give it a really nice citrusy aroma. We're going to a little above and top this with a Lux artichoke. And here we have a Lux Old Fashioned. Cheers.